Enough of that. Go practice your somersaults. Go.
Keep your legs like elastic. That's it. Keep going.
Throw yourself into it, Jackie, as if you were flying. Kick those legs high up in the air. That's it. No, point your elbow. Now spread your wings and try to fly. Oh, no. You must try to fly like a bald eagle. Each movement a deadly strike.
Oh, good morning, sis.
Always practicing.
You know about it, huh?
But I've always known. Oh.
You want to try me out? Huh?
Sure. Why not? Oh, Jackie, are you all right? I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Where does it hurt? Here? Let me see. Pull up your... Ah!
Come on, sis. That's not fair. You used a pin.
Well, now, isn't that too bad? You were asking for it.
Ah. Ooh. Ooh. Sorry. Am I forgiven?
Yes, Jackie, I forgive you.
Want to hold this? I'd like your help. Well, what do you think?
Yeah, that's very good.
That's nothing. Wait till you see when I spread my claws.
Hi, Dad.
Hello, Dad.
Studying the martial art.
小许，你回来，大爷，小许，几位大爷，多谢啊，谢谢。谢谢什么？一个大头啊！哎呦，太多了！哎呀，小许，各位大爷，实在对不起啊，请各位帮我。哎呀，山叔啊，你们怎么动手打人呢？打你有什么呀？哎呦，打！哎呀，哎呦！ 哎呀！哎呀！哎哎！好！哎呀！阿龙，真是一条猛龙啊！你把那个打垮那个病脱虫啊！别追了，我们走啊！走。逃犯来了，上来吧！小子，慢着！你们不服气啊？我让你们白打不还手，以后大家算扯平。哼，笑话！来吧，你怕了？哼，来，嘿，笑话！快呀！我呀！哎呀！本人打成这样也不还手！
哎呀，干嘛李子那么紧张？
对不起，啊？
什么事啊？
阿龙啊，被人打伤了，好危险！快跟我来，快点！快一点！在哪儿啊？就在这儿！坏呀！哎，小妞长得倒挺漂亮，好香啊，小妞！让三哥我亲亲你。放开他！叫我放开他，就凭你呀！大丈夫，一人做事一人当。有种的，你们跟我算账好了。哎呀，你算是老几呀？我要把这个小妞衣服扒光了给你看一看。你们不要逼我，逼你又怎么样？来，看看你的皮肤白不白？
Why, teacher? Why are you beating me?
Stupid fool, letting those worthless scum hit you. How dare you? How dare you? After all I've taught you!
I was only following my father's wishes. He forbids me to fight.
Ah, he does he? Well, let's see how you feel about it. You've learned to fight, then you will fight. It's what you've been taught, and taught well. So you will fight. You understand?
All right, I won't do it again.
What won't you do again?
Let others beat me up.
You promise that on your word of honor?
I do, I promise.
Just so you won't forget. Do you understand?
What is it you want from me?
You are a fighter, and you will fight. You must. It's in your blood now, Jackie, as in mine.
I will obey.
Fighting again. You just won't listen.
I'm sorry, Dad.
This time your punishment will be severe. You're to stick your fists into broken glass. Go on. I said, go on.
Oh, how cruel. I will have to mend that hand.
Now go. You heard me, go.
So, what he has broken, I shall mend. The pain will go away. Yes, Peter. You are very fortunate. I know which herbs to use in order to mend your hand. Be thankful for that.
I am, Peter. I am.
It just... This is, huh?
Yeah. That is good. Very good. That means it's healing. When we finish, Jackie, your fingers will be twice as strong as they ever were. You shall see. Come here now and let me bind that hand.
Oh, sure, Dad. I brought your tea.
Oh, thank you, son. That was very kind. Tell me, how's your hand?
Oh, it's all right.
What are you doing?
I don't use it when I work.
We shall let the cloud handle it. Now go and take care of it.
Yes, master.
Hold it!
It's you.
Well. You're a bit late.
I know that. Right now, things aren't going too good.
Too bad. You owe us for quite a few weeks, friend. Now pay.
I intend to. It's only that business has fallen off lately, and I'm rather a bit too short to understand.
No. Now you listen closely. Tomorrow, bring the dough. Now you listen closely. Tomorrow, bring the dough. Or you've had it.
Yes, certainly. Tomorrow, without fail. My nephew will bring it.
Uncle, here it is. I'll take it over to the landlord.
Jackie, what happened to your hand?
Nothing. It's all right.
On second thought, I think I'd better go. Huh?
No, honest. It'll be all right. I'd better get going.
Teacher! Teacher, where are you? You want me to fight and my dad doesn't. And my poor uncle's being squeezed by the syndicate. Help me, teacher, help me!
Well, now. We shall go together, Jackie, and pay the clown. And while we're at it, we'll have ourselves a little fun. What do you say, huh? Come.
阿龙要出事！3天之期，你不要食言呢。好，走。 样你也走不掉。
爹，我们到哪儿去啊？
好汉不吃眼前亏，我们离开这里。
嗯。
我有2只铁拳头，为什么要受他们的气？
Hey, you didn't pay last week. Come on. Where you going, huh? Oh, you're a tough guy, huh? Hey, you're new around here.
Yeah. So what if I am?
So, you need dock insurance.
Dock insurance? I don't need any insurance.
That's what you think. Hey, get over here. I need a little help.
We can't pay our insurance this week. Can we pay it next week?
You're supposed to pay it every week. What you need is a little lesson. Take him.
Hold it. Now you listen. If you don't clear out of here, you won't know what hit you.
So now he's king of the dock, huh?
That does it.
Burn his house down.
Well, don't just stand there. Do what I said.
One more thing. When you finish doing that, kill him.
Here's what we'll do. We'll use that pickpocket as bait for our friend Jackie Chan.
Yes, master.
No, Jackie, don't. That's what they want. They want you to fight. Go.
I can't.
Go now before it's too late.
I can't.
Why can't they leave me alone? Because you're too good for them. That's why. Jackie, for God's sake, go. Don't worry about me. My life's over. I was never any good anyhow.
Should I or shouldn't I?
I told you to fight! I hear you! Why don't you be sensible and give up? Knock the lousy cheese out. Give it to him, Jackie! You're doing just great. Hang on. What do you think I'm doing? Goodbye, little friend. Rest in peace. You did it. You're responsible for his death. Let's see you take me on.
Ah, you mean just the two of us?
Why not? You can add me to your list of kills. You'd like that, wouldn't you? You're not afraid of me, are you?
No. You're going to die.
Jackie, get up and fight! Now's the time!
That's called getting your kicks.
You there, Jackie Chan. It is I who you seek to kill. You are much too tired now. We will fight at Green Valley. Let us say tomorrow.